Best car waxes for long-lasting shine: protect paint, enhance gloss, repel contaminants, and keep vehicles looking newer with lasting brilliance. My today's video is about top 5 best car waxes for long-lasting shine that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ethos Ceramic Wax Aerospace Coating Protection. Ethos Ceramic Wax is an excellent choice for anyone seeking professional-grade vehicle protection without the complexity of traditional ceramic coatings. Its easy wipe-on application makes it accessible for beginners while still delivering results that experienced detailers will appreciate. The formula works on multiple surfaces, including paint, chrome, glass, motorcycles, boats, and RVs, making it a versatile addition to any detailing kit. What stands out most is its long-lasting protective layer, which helps shield surfaces from UV rays, dirt, water spots, and environmental contaminants. The ceramic-infused formula enhances gloss and depth, giving vehicles a freshly detailed, showroom-quality shine. Water beads and rolls off effortlessly, helping maintain a cleaner appearance between washes. Unlike many products that require extensive preparation or curing time, Ethos Ceramic Wax offers a quick and efficient solution for preserving exterior finishes. For drivers looking to maximize shine, durability, and protection with minimal effort, this ceramic wax delivers impressive value and dependable performance. Now our second product is Automotive WX3 Spray Wax. Automotive WX3 delivers an impressive balance of shine, protection, and paint enhancement through its premium blend of natural carnauba wax and advanced synthetic polymers. The combination creates a durable protective layer that not only boosts gloss but also helps defend your vehicle's finish against weather, road grime, and environmental contaminants. One of its standout features is its ability to fill minor surface imperfections and micromarring. Rather than simply masking the paint, the formula visually smooths out fine scratches, giving the surface a richer, more refined appearance. The deep, wet look shine produced by the carnauba component adds warmth and depth to paint colors, while the polymer technology extends durability beyond what traditional waxes typically offer. Application is straightforward, and the finish buffs off cleanly without excessive effort. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or enhancing a show vehicle, Automotive WX3 provides a noticeable improvement in gloss, smoothness, and overall paint appearance, making it a strong choice for long-lasting automotive care. Our third product is Auto Depth Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. This graphene ceramic coating spray stands out as a modern paint protection solution, combining graphene technology with SiO2 ceramic protection for exceptional durability and gloss. Unlike traditional spray waxes, it creates a resilient protective layer that can last up to 12 months, helping shield exterior surfaces from water spots, dirt, UV exposure, and environmental contaminants. The most noticeable benefit is the remarkable shine it delivers. A single application produces a deep, glass-like finish that enhances color depth and clarity, making both new and weathered vehicles look significantly refreshed. Its highly hydrophobic properties cause water to bead and roll away effortlessly, reducing the risk of mineral deposits and staining. Another impressive feature is its anti-static behavior, which helps repel dust and keeps the vehicle cleaner for longer periods. The added heat resistance further minimizes water spotting and surface contamination. Suitable for paint, glass, chrome, and plastic trim, this coating offers excellent all-around protection while making routine maintenance faster and easier. Now number 4, Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant Spray. This advanced paint sealant delivers an outstanding combination of durability, shine, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for car owners who want long-lasting protection without spending hours detailing. Its industry-leading 50-wash durability rating sets it apart from many traditional waxes and sealants, helping maintain a protected finish through repeated washes and changing weather conditions. The most impressive feature is the exceptional gloss enhancement. After application, the paint develops a deep, reflective, mirror-like shine that highlights color richness and gives the vehicle a freshly detailed appearance. The finish feels smooth and slick, while also helping repel dirt, water, and environmental contaminants. Application is refreshingly simple. After washing and drying the vehicle, a light spray and quick wipe are all that's needed to achieve professional-looking results. There's no complicated curing process or extensive buffing required. For drivers seeking a high-gloss finish, reliable protection, and effortless maintenance, this sealant offers excellent value and performance in a convenient spray-on formula. And our last choice is Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray. This ceramic spray wax is an excellent solution for drivers who want strong paint protection and showroom quality shine without the time commitment of traditional waxing. The ceramic-infused polymers create a durable protective barrier that helps defend against UV rays, road grime, dust, and other environmental contaminants, keeping the vehicle cleaner between washes. Its gloss-enhancing formula noticeably improves color depth and clarity, producing a rich, mirror-like finish that makes paintwork look vibrant and well-maintained. One of the standout benefits is its extreme water repellency. Water quickly beads and rolls off the surface, reducing drying time and helping prevent stubborn water spots from forming. Application is remarkably simple: just spray, wipe, and buff with a microfiber towel. It can even be used in direct sunlight, making it convenient for quick detailing sessions. The versatility is another major advantage, as it works safely on paint, glass, headlights, trim, and wheels. Overall, this spray wax delivers impressive shine, protection, and ease of use in one highly effective package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.